Hey everybody, Chelsea here, and I am back with yet another video. And if you're new here, my channel talks about makeup, skincare, and everything beauty related. So today I want to do a makeup look using the Glamlite Chucky. And oh my god, I have to be the first to say that I am a true Chucky fan. I didn't watch all the movies, and of course I watched the series, and I know the series had some mixed reviews, I believe, but you know what? I don't care. I love the series. The series is super good to me, and they're coming out with a third season, which I'm looking heavily forward to. And I'm very excited to try this with you guys. Like, I'm super geeked, but mind you, when Glamlite released this, they were sold out so fast. So I couldn't get everything from this collection. The only thing I was able to get was the eyeshadow palette and 2 of the lip kits, so I couldn't get the blush or the eyeliner and the liquid eyeliner, but that's okay. I'm just happy to, I'm more than anything, I'm more happier to get the eyeshadow alone, the eyeshadow palette alone, and the lip kits too, but you know. But let's get started. All right, let's get this started. Okay, first let me just talk about the packaging, okay? The packaging is, in my opinion, 10 out of 10. They just really did. I mean, Glamlite, I've been saying this for the longest time, y'all. Glamlite is the GOAT of makeup, okay? Because they be understanding the assignment when it comes to making, you know, collaboration with whatever they're going for, with everything they're going for. They be understanding the assignment, okay? And they stick with the theme, unlike other makeup where like the packaging looks different. Like the packaging looks one way, but then when you open it up and it's something like, especially when it comes to an eyeshadow palette, when you open up the eyeshadow palette, it's the colors is not matching with the theme, you know what I'm saying? But Glamlite, I'm telling you, it never fails. It never fails. So this one, this is the Chucky lip kit, and I guess you pull, oh crap, pull it like this. Whoa. Now this is the type of packaging I like. This is what I'm talking about, and I think I'm going to keep the boxes, even the big box that it came in. I'm keeping everything and probably hang it somewhere in my bedroom. But yes, this is what the Chucky lip kit, it looks like out of the package. And once I get this out, all right, so look at this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. And this, to me, this is like the perfect nude lip color, like seriously. And it has like the little melting hearts engraved in it. That is so cute. And of course the lip liner, hold on, let me take out the lip liner once I can get this out. Okay, so here's the lip liner to that, and this is what that looks like. So sharp, you know, can't wait to use this. I think when I do my makeup lip, I think I'm gonna use this color, this lipstick. But yeah, I'll put that to the side. And of course I gotta show y'all the Tiffany lip kit, you know what I'm saying? Like, and just like the Chucky one, it pulls out like this. And ouch, my finger got caught. But yeah, this is what this looks like, and here's the lipstick color for that. Now I'm kind of skeptical about this color because it has like an orangish, I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna still rock it. Like I said, I probably won't use it for the makeup look that I'm going for, but I'll definitely use this in the near future. But of course, like the other one, it has the melted hearts engraved in it, so that's cool. And of course, I gotta show y'all here's the lip liner to that, and then of course here's the color to that. Ain't that cool? has Tiffany on it. And of course, last but not certainly least, is the eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take this out like so. And okay, let's talk about this for a hot second. This is so cute. Like, it, you know, I think it's trying to rain. So if you hear a little tap noise, it's raining. So please ignore that. But oh my God, look at this. This is so freaking cute. And just like Glamlite, I have to give them their props because they are really creative when they do these type of collabs. They're so creative and and one thing, speaking as someone who's an artist, I guess you could say, I went to school for graphic design, and you know, when it comes to art alone, I'm very creative. And I think Glamlite is, I think the founder of Glamlite must have went to some type of art school or something. I don't know. But she did her thing with this, okay? Now, and here, let me take this out, is what the inside of that palette looks like. Just look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Now see, of course, like I said, Glamlite is always sticking to their theme, once again, like I keep saying. And I just like the shades that they call, I like the names of the shades that they call it, and this is just super, super cute. But yes, so let's start doing some makeup. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So I already primed my eyes off camera, and I want to go in with this color called Let's Be Friends. And so using that, and I'm going in. I think I want to create a halo eye. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a halo eye. So I'm just going like so. Oh, I did not realize how dark this is, but we're gonna do it. We're going to do it. Now, I just have to say that I would have thought that Glamlite would have came out with this Chucky collection around Halloween. But you know what? It's cool. It's cool. I'm not complaining, because funny thing is, I was literally telling my husband this when Kylie released her Freddy Krueger collection, and like I said, you know what? They give them a minute. I don't know who it's going to be, but somebody is going to release a Chucky collection, a Chucky collab. And lo and behold, it was Glamlite, and I'm super, super glad about that, because like I keep saying, Glamlite is that bitch. Glamlite is that bitch, because they be knowing what they be doing. So I'm very, very happy that Glamlite was the one to come out with this collection. And I'm very happy and very pleased. So yes. So this is what we working with so far, y'all. And now I will warn you that a halo eye on myself has always been a challenge for me. But when I do halo eyes on other people, because I did halo eyes on 2 of my clients, my past clients, and they came out so beautiful. They came out so nice and pretty and all that stuff. But doing a halo eye on myself is a bit of a challenge. So yes, this is what we got so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one called Scarier Than Ever, and then just put on the top part. And then just go in like so, and then just blend in with the Let's Be Friends shade. So this is one of my favorite blending brushes, by the way. Definitely gets the job done. And I just kind of blend out the edges of the dark color. And it's so nice. It's looking pretty good. Like, camera's not really doing the justice that it needs to be done, but it's actually looking pretty good from what I'm looking at in the mirror. It's a little bit of fallout though, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's still good. I'm not even gonna trip about that. Still good in my book. And I'm loving this. And I think I probably have to go back in with this, with the Let's Be Friends shade, just to keep that color there. Okay, so let's dab that in again. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Now, for the middle here, this is kind of, this is going to be difficult, but okay, I think I'm going to do this shade, the Chucky and Tiff Forever, this shade here. So I usually use my fingers when it comes to this. So just smack it right there in the middle. Like so. Okay, I think I made the right choice in this. Because I almost wanted to go to this shade, Want to Play, but I don't think it'd go. So I'm gonna just use this one, the Chucky and Tiff. I don't know why I keep saying Chuck, but Chucky and Tiff Forever shade, because I really want to go for that darkness thing, the darkness, but with the shade of some sparkle in there, if you get my drift. Okay. But yes, this is what we got so far, y'all. And I'm very impressed because I thought that this look was going to turn out really bad, but I like it. Because back in high school, this is the type of look that I would usually wear every day at school, to school. And some people thought that I was like one of those goths or whatever. Granted, I used to hang out with the goths and the juggalettes, whatever you want to call them. But I never really dressed up like them per se, but I wore the makeup like I was a part of the goth crew and whatnot. But this is nice. This is really, really cute, and I like it. So yes, this is what we got so far, you guys. Now I'm going to do the rest of my eyes and add some lashes, add some liner, and add my base and everything, and I'll be back to do my lips. So I shall return. So my eyes are done, and this is what we're working with. So as promised, I'm going to do my lips once I get this. Okay, so oh, this ain't the one I wanted. I said I was going to do the Chucky lip, not the Tiffany. So to line my lips. Oh, that's very pigmented. Wasn't expecting that. I just lightly tapped it, you know. This is so pretty. Just go. Okay, so the lips are lined, and once again, I'm going to show you guys the lipstick here. Just go to town with it. So that's what the lips look like, y'all. What do y'all think? Like, this is so freaking Oh, I'm so loud. I'm so geeked. This is so cute. It's that perfect look. This is just perfect. I'm sorry. It's just too perfect. But yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna put up some blush on and some highlighter on, and I'll be back to show y'all the all-around final look. Considering the fact that I couldn't get the blush with this collection once again, or the eyeliner and the liquid eyeliner in the mirror. So I'm gonna just throw some blush on, some highlighter once again, and I'm going to be back to show you guys the final look. So here is the final look, and I am just so over the moon with this look. Like, this is just so just out of this world. Like, I love this. So okay, so I want to talk about the eyeshadow palette first. And these colors, oh my goodness, these are just so pretty, and it gives you that dark edge, you know. So, and it definitely matched with the whole theme altogether, because as a Chucky fan, I totally approve of this whole collection, even though I didn't get the whole collection. But just the stuff that I got, the eyeshadow palette and the 2 lip kits, like, these are just so on point, you know. And these lip kits, like the Chucky one, this is the one I'm wearing on my lips right now, I can't get over it. I really cannot get over this whole thing. And then, you know, the Tiffany one, same thing. Like, it's just like, these are just really nice, and it just really fits the whole theme of this, and I just absolutely love it. I love this. This is just so, I love it. I'm sorry. I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. But yeah, that is everything. This is, you know, I'll link all my other products that I use in the description section. And I'll put all my info, my Instagram, everything, you know, below, so you can follow me there too if you like. But also, before you leave, don't forget to like and comment on this video and hit the subscribe button. So until then, I will talk to you guys later. Goodbye.